what is the best thing for us to start and what is the first step. So basically, Pro Training Tech is offering two courses at the moment. The one is Cybersecurity Diploma, which comprises of 12 months slash 1 year. And then we have the Cybersecurity Essential Program, which comprises of 5 months duration. Now, what's the difference between two? First of all, one needs to understand that for both these courses, no IT and technical background required. Okay, anyone with a very minimal knowledge and with no IT background can join this course. Now, the best thing about these two courses is that it all depends upon your pace and it all depends upon your time availability. For example, talking about the cybersecurity essential program, then if this is a relatively a fast-paced program, that if you want to become an ethical hacker or want to start your career from there, then after 5 months of this particular course, you will be eligible to give the exam of CEH, which is Certified Ethical Hacking Exam. Okay, and you can start your career from that step. And talking about the cybersecurity 1 year program, then even if you join this program, so after completion of 4 to 5 months, when the ethical hacking part is completed, then you can resume the journey of CEH exam as well at the same time. Okay, so in the if you have no knowledge of networking, penetration testing, or you want to learn from the very basic, or you are just a fresher, just like if I talk about the females who usually spend some time at their home and do not have any professional experience, and they want to learn from the very basic ABC of the IT field. So this 1 year program is specifically designed for the people who wants to learn from the very start. But for the people who do have a technical knowledge and they are associated with other IT technical fields, then they can easily switch with the fast-paced program, which is 5 months essential program, and they can start their career after 5 months after giving the CEH exam. So I want to mention one thing over here regarding all the technical questions. Our trainer is here, so just type it down all the questions in your notebooks, or if you want to send it in the chat. So I will cater all the questions at the end of this session.